Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you the best one-product Shopify themes for your store. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to myshopify.com/admin. Once you are now here, on the left corner, select Online Store, then select Themes. Once you're here, under your current theme, select Customize. On the left corner this time, you're going to be selecting Image Banner. In here, select Explore. Then on the search bar, you can search for Candles. In here, select any image. Once you're okay with it, select Select. Then in here, add a heading. Then you can also customize your heading size. Once you're done with Image Banner, this time you can select the first or second image. There are a lot of options over here, so just select whichever one you like. For me personally, I like candles, so I'll just search for candles, then I'll add them over here. In here, I will add a header name to be specific, and then I will customize the heading size. Once you're okay with everything, select Click Save option, add more description about your product, and save it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.